Hello, hello, lovely viewer. How are you today? Welcome back to the Abroad with Susanna channel. So today we are diving into a topic that I think it's crucial for anyone relocating to a new country for the first time. And it is making friends abroad. How to make your 10 friends abroad. One common mistake that many international people make when moving abroad, at least it's what I've seen, is, especially for the first time, is just focusing only on the logistics. You've got your checklist, right? Like my visa, check. My accommodation, check. A job, maybe, check. Language, yes, I know the language. Or school for your kids, check. Everything is check, check, check. But what often overlooked is the social side of your change, of your new life. Sure, all these logistics are important, of course, but here is the secret. Many of us have this belief that if we get all these logistics right, everything else will magically fall into place like this. But here is what happens when we have that belief that nobody will come to knock on our door and invite us to a ball or a party. That usually doesn't happen. And we might start feeling isolated with no friends or no plans to go out, and loneliness starts to creep in. What is a better way? The better way. And it starts with changing our belief system, right? This belief that thinking that only the logistics are important. So instead of relying only on these logistics, we need to embrace a new belief. Are you ready for the new belief? Okay, here it is. The belief we need to start to adopt is that building a social circle is as crucial as perfecting those logistics ticks and checklists. I'm going to suggest you a few actions you can take or you can start taking to start socializing when living abroad. Okay, the first one, make social activities a part of your schedule, like properly. Okay, the same way you work and you plan your work, or you're going to the groceries and everything, put your socials events in a calendar. The second one, get involved in local communities or clubs that match your interest. Maybe, for instance, you have a gym close by, or join a sport team, a book club, or volunteering around your neighborhood. There are plenty of opportunities to meet like-minded people, okay? The third one is attend social events and gatherings that you could, maybe you could keep an eye on local events. What's happening, some festivals. Now there is a jazz festival around Yokohama, which I'm going to attend. And, it's a great way to meet people. And of course, for instance, I love jazz, so I'm going to meet people that love jazz too. So you start, interacting with them. The fourth one is, don't forget about the power of technology. Social media and apps like MeetUp or InterNations can help you connect with locals. And or expats. I will leave the links of these apps that I'm using in the description section below. And if you're already using those apps, just let us know in the comments and see what are your thoughts about those apps. And okay, the last one, the last tip is be open and approachable. Of course, it doesn't matter if you just go out, but you stay on your own and you don't talk to anyone. So don't be afraid to start the conversation and just say yes to new experiences. Just say hello, just try to interact a little bit. But remember, you are an explorer in a new world, right? So you want to be a bit out of your comfort zone. So, well, that's it. There you have it. Lovely people. Making friends abroad isn't just nice to have or a must have checklist. It's more about having an international experience. So by shifting your beliefs and taking these actions, you can build your first-hand friends abroad and even beyond. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give us the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with anyone that you believe is going to benefit with these tips. And as always, keep exploring, keep connecting, and stay tuned for more tips and adventures with Abroad with Susanna. See you in my next video.